The front leg stepping forward is just designed to catch you. All the control is coming from the rear foot. When we're land, we're trying to be in a nice kind of 90-90 position. So what does that mean? It means the front thigh is going to be at 90 degrees parallel to the floor, and the heel is going to be right under the knee. The same is going to be true at the back. The lower limb 90 degree parallel to the floor, and then a straight line from hip to knee. So I'm stepping up, I'm pushing off the rear foot, I catch myself, I'm dropping straight down, hips are nice and square, I resist rotation in the hip, and then I press the plate out. Come back round, step up tall, and then go to the other side. Foot comes up, tippy toe, step, drop the knee down, rotate, and press away. Okay, and then turn that left foot in. So a wee bit of internal rotation, yep, left foot. Oh, it's your favourite position. And then up onto your tippy toe on the rear foot to bring your weight forward. Okay, so knee soft, front leg, so the weight should be all on that front foot. Lovely. Oh. You're gonna make a nice long hip hinge now. So maintain space from shoulder to hip. Feel the hamstring stretch. And then hips are gonna stay square, so push this knee out. Yep, screw it out. And then twist the shoulders so that they stack. Lovely, nice stretch, eh? So butt nice and tight, push this knee out, twist again, twist round, and then press that straight out. Good. From there now, you're gonna come up and pivot. Weight goes into the front foot now, and press up high. Good, pull back down, and pivot back into that position. Good, twist the shoulders, hips stay still, press away. Excellent.